are, ladies.
Thank
I'll be back in a moment with your waters.
Okay, thanks. What's new with you?
Oh, nothing really.
Oh, yeah, something. Last Saturday, our brand new refrigerator stopped working. So I spent all day Sunday cooking hundreds of dollars worth of meat so I could refreeze and put in the freezer in the garage.
I didn't know you had another freezer.
Yeah, you do. You know, we used it for patty shower. Yeah. Anyway, I really dread calling the refrigerator repairman, though.
You haven't called one yet?
No, I'm gonna tell you why. Last month, our cable went out, so when I called the cable company, they hung up on me twice. And when I finally got an appointment, it took a week to come out to the house.
A week?
A week.
Oh, well, that's not really...
Yeah, but you know, we should have bought the extended warranty. Because when you buy the extended warranty, of course, your product never breaks. But when you don't buy the extended warranty, it breaks the next day.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Wade will be back in a moment to take your orders.
Anyway, to top everything off, I've been trying to eat everything out of the refrigerator. So I've been eating nothing but fruits and vegetables the last 2 days. And I've gained 2 pounds. I feel like a fat rabbit.
What are you going to have?
You know, I think I'll have a salad.